Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press bell icon for notifications.
How to remove of a fake tan quickly. 5 ways to remove fake tan at home. 1. Apply a tan remover with Ammonia Moly within 4 hours. Ammonia Moly is a mild form of bleach that won't harm your skin. For an instant fix to a bad fake tan or unsightly streaks, apply a tan remover containing this ingredient to your skin. This option is only suitable for removing a freshly applied fake tan and will be relatively ineffective once the tan has set. 2. Spread a lemon juice and baking soda paste on your skin if the tan has already set in. In a small bowl, combine equal parts lemon juice and baking soda. Stir the mixture with a spoon until it forms a paste. Spread the paste over the surface of your skin and let it sit for 5 minutes until you see the fake tan fading. 3. Coat sensitive skin in baby oil and let it sit for 10 minutes. If abrasive or acidic ingredients irritate your skin, use baby oil to loosen your fake tan instead. Pour the oil onto your hands and rub it onto your skin. It will loosen the fake tan color from the top layer of your skin. 4. Use whitening toothpaste to remove streaks or stains on your skin. The active whitening ingredient in the toothpaste will cause your fake tan to fade, but it is better suited for small applications to problem areas. Squeeze a dot of whitening toothpaste onto your finger or an old toothbrush. Rub the toothpaste onto your skin in a circular motion until the fake tan begins to disappear. 5. Swim in a chlorine-treated pool if you don't mind showing off your tan. While you may be embarrassed to step into a pool with an unsightly fake tan, it is an excellent option for loosening the color. Chlorine will break down the fake tan buildup on your skin, making it easier to scrub away afterward. Spend at least 20-30 minutes in the pool to allow the chlorine to work. 6. Sit in a steam room for 30 minutes if you have access to a spa or gym. Steam can soften your skin enough to loosen the color of your fake tan. Sit in a steam room for a half hour for the best results. Be sure to drink water before going into the steam room to prevent dehydration. Exit the steam room immediately if you experience disorientation, weakness, or dizziness.